The relaunch of my clothing brand is coming up in around about a month and a half, and I am deeply considering pre-orders. Pre-orders worked really well when I launched my digital product, so I kind of want to see whether I can implement it when it comes to my clothing brand. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up pre-orders using Shopify. Shopify is my website host of choice, and what I've realized that with some of the free themes on Shopify, you actually don't have the option to actually have pre-orders on there, so you kind of have to use a app to sort of facilitate that for you. So whilst I was exploring the idea of doing pre-orders, I thought, wouldn't it be a good idea for me to sit down and actually film a video where I actually show you how even you can do pre-orders for your clothing brand using Shopify. So my main reason for wanting to do pre-orders for my clothing brand is the fact that I have quite a decent stock of plain garments that I've had manufactured for my clothing brand already, and I kind of want to be able to gauge how many of those that I would need to print. And having pre-orders will kind of give me the data that I need to understand how many of those t-shirts I would need to print ahead of launch. And say if I launched my pre-orders, I don't know, 2 weeks before my actual launch date, it would mean that I would have 2 weeks to go out, get those t-shirts printed, and that way I'm not risking too much of my cash flow to printing garments that are not going to then sell to customers. That ties in quite neatly to my next point. It allows me to actually use the revenue generated from those pre-orders to then feed in back into the business, and I can use that money to then print those t-shirts. It will also give me the opportunity to test out some new designs. I have a design that I really like, but I don't know, I am not 100% confident with it. So if I launch it as a pre-order, it will kind of give me the opportunity to gauge whether or not this product is going to sell or not, and then I will get an idea again as to how many of that particular t-shirt I can then go ahead and get printed. And overall, I just get to gauge the market. I know I'm kind of like waking up a sleeping ship or whatever. I've been away for so long when it comes to this clothing brand, and I've got a lot of work to do to get people like hyped up for it. So launching with pre-orders will give me the opportunity to sort of gauge the market that I have left sleeping for a while. So those are some of the reasons why I'm considering this pre-order launch. But right now we're gonna actually jump into my laptop and we're gonna explore this app called STOQ, and it's an app that links to your Shopify, which will help facilitate pre-orders for your clothing brand. Now, I haven't actually used this app. I'm gonna have it linked in my description. I'm quite excited to see how like user friendly it is. Let me clip you here and let's jump into my screen. So we are on the back end of my Shopify store, and I've already downloaded the app, and it's an app that you can download from like the app store on Shopify. I haven't set it up or anything, so we're gonna set it up together. So I'm gonna get started. These are our different options that we can go for. I love that it does have a free option, which allows you to have 10 pre-orders per month. And I guess when you're starting out, I feel like that is quite sufficient, but I would probably go for this one to be on the safe side. For the purposes of this video, we are gonna just click on this option here. Let's set it up together. So first of all, I need to click here where it says open theme editor. I really hope that this is really user friendly and straightforward to set up, because honestly, the reason why I like Shopify is because it's really straightforward. If I'm downloading an app, I'm gonna need that to be straightforward as well. So here we're able to just toggle this on, and I think that's all I have to do in terms of embedding it onto the theme. So I'm gonna click save, and then gonna go back here and check whether this has been updated, and as you can see, this is now green, so happy days. Now the next step is to create an offer. So this is my dashboard almost for the pre-orders section of this app. Over here, it allows us to adjust the payment option that we want our customer to have. So I would definitely advise taking that full payment if it's something like a clothing item, but you do have an option of a partial payment or deposit. I'm going to keep it as full payment. You can also offer them a discount if they do pre-order. You want to give them an incentive, otherwise they might as well just wait for it to launch, especially if you're like some unknown brand. Like, why would they pre-order? pre-order, I would definitely want them to see the discounted price, and this is what it would look like. If I toggle here, it just shows another way that it can present the fact that you are saving 15%. So I'm going to leave it like that. Over here, we also have some additional toggles here. So on shipping, we can actually change what this little bar here says. For example, for me, our launch date is on the 1st of September. So I would just simply write shipping and that date, which will allow customers to know exactly when this particular product is going to be shipped. We've already set up our payment options. We can set up our status, so whether it's available or not available. If you want to limit how many pre-orders can be made at one time, this is the page that you'd be doing it. And then over here, if you upgrade your plan, you can show a countdown timer. And I want to upgrade. I want to see what that looks like. So we are back and we have upgraded. So now we can see that option to show that countdown timer. We can set up a countdown during the period of that pre-order. So over here, I would then set up an end date. For me, I would be thinking 2 weeks before the launch date, maybe a week before the launch date. So the 25th. And that is how the countdown timer would show. And I feel like that looks quite cool. It gives people that sense of urgency to make sure that they are pre-ordering because time is running out. I really like the way that looks, and it fits in with my theme really well. I did mention that on some of the paid themes on Shopify, you do have the pre-order functionality, but what I will say is that although you have the pre-order functionality, it's just that pre-order button and that's it. It doesn't give you like all of these other assets of like having this little bar that says ship in as soon as possible or having this countdown timer. So it's definitely, I'm enjoying this so far. Up here, you can select which markets that you're going to be offering the pre-orders in. And then obviously there's some additional settings that you can play around with. Let's click save changes. Now I actually want to see how we would then add a product to pre-orders. So I've scrolled down a little bit and I'm gonna go ahead and add a product. Definitely it would be the Naya along with the Nkosi, and that's it. I even need to adjust the prices because as I mentioned to you guys in a previous video, we are diving into that mid-premium market. So our t-shirt prices are coming down. So over here, it's just asking me whether or not I can continue selling when out of stock. Yes. Over here, I have the option to limit the amount of products that are pre-ordered. So say if I wanted to limit this to 100, I would just pop in 100 there. But yeah, that is how you would add those products. And over here, I can click save. Once I start having orders coming through, they would come here and I'll be able to see and track, how my pre-order campaign is going. If I go back, you can see that I can have like different offers. So the one that we were working in was this one called pre-order 2, because you can see I have now managed to add those variants. This is enabled, it is running, so I actually want to see what that looks like on my website. If I type my website, we can see exactly what that would look like, and it ties in very well with my theme. Like, I don't feel like it has disturbed my website or my theme. It's just sort of like gone with what I had already, and that is what I was worried about when it came to like downloading a app to sort of like add to my store. But it has matched my theme perfectly. Like, you wouldn't even know that it's an external app that I have added to my Shopify store. I just want to see what it would look like on mobile because most of us are shopping on mobile. And yes, it is looking really good. I am really happy with that. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do pre-orders, but just looking at what it looks like and how it's tied into my theme, I think I'm gonna do pre-orders. I really think I am. And that was so straightforward to set up. There wasn't any coding involved. Like, you just add the app and you're literally good to go. And for $10 a month, you can unlock like some of these really good features like the countdown. So I'm really like impressed with that. I think I'm gonna keep that, I'm like 90% sure I am going to launch with pre-orders. Guys, let's talk in the comments. What do you actually think about launching a clothing brand or any sort of brand with pre-orders? Do you think it works? Do you think it builds the hype? Like, what do we think? Let's talk about it in the comments. In my description, you are going to see this app, the link to this app, so you can definitely download it onto your Shopify store, try it out. It's really, really good. It's probably like one of the better apps, I would say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my very next video.